Okay. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. This afternoon we're going to have a bit of a chilled one for you. It's Friday afternoon, so we're pleased the weekend is upon us. As much as we all love our jobs, it's nice to see the weekend's finally here. So this afternoon we're going to be having a play around making some really tasty vegan hot chocolates. So we're going to make one for you guys using this lovely oat milk from Oatly. We're going to be giving it a bit of a review to see how well it does, see how it textures. Also we'll have a bit of a play and see if we can pour some latte out with it as well. I must admit that vegan products aren't really my forte. I'm sort of quite a sort of traditionalist when it comes to coffee. I just like using normal full fat milk. But I am very open to people's ideas and the things that they do, and I really love the idea of this product. So today we have got Tanzy here to help us out this afternoon with sampling our hot chocolates. Oh yeah, mind that. There's a box there. So to start off with, we're going to need 3 teaspoons of this hot chocolate powder. Would you like to do the honours?
I'd love to.
Just heaped teaspoons. Yeah.
3.
Beautiful, beautiful. Smashing, smashing. Okay, so the best way to make a perfect hot chocolate is to use hot water. So to mix your chocolate powder to a paste by putting in a tiny bit of hot water, and then we'll then just texture our milk and then be able to pour that in. Cool, so we're now just going to go and jump onto the machine, and then we'll then get cracking with our hot chocolate.
Should we do the jump swish thing again?
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is an experience. So what we're going to do is basically go like 3, 2, 1 and pretend that we're going to jump over.
Yeah.
It will look good, I promise.
Okay. Whoa! Touchdown! Well guys, before you go, I've got one last thing for you. If you don't have one of these big snazzy machines at home, what you can use is a cafetiere. Really great way of texturing milk. You just use the microwave, warm your milk up, give it a plunge up and down, and you can texture great milk and enjoy it at home. We have got a video on this, so just look on the link in the description, click on that, and that will take you to that video. Okay, so we've got our hot chocolate powder. We're now just going to need to add a little bit of hot water. So a little bit onto there. Then we need something to stir it with. Use this spoon, be nice and easy. So we're just going to mix that to a nice paste. Okay, beautiful. Satisfied. So if you pour it so that it's just touching the bottom of the spout, that'll be a good amount. Keep going. Stop. Awesome. Right, I'm going to sit up here so that the guys at home can see us a bit easier. Okay, so just like this is going to be exactly the same as texturing any milk on a espresso machine. So just do anything as you would normally. So give your steam arm a purge, pull the steam arm out, bob it in, make sure it's over to one side, turn it on, texture it for 4 seconds at the start. Turn it off when it gets too hot to touch. Give it a wipe. Give it a blast. Tap to get those bubbles out. And give it a nice polish.
Good.
Yeah, I mean it's very impressive for a non-dairy product. It's brilliant. It's textured very well. Okay, we see what it pulls like. Okay, well, let's pour a little bit in first. I'm just going to mix it to a. Mix that bit in. Pop. Okay, so we're just going to slowly pour around. Hey, that's pretty good. Yeah, see, for a product that's not actually milk, it textures beautifully. Very impressed. Very impressed. Would you like to sample?
I would love to.
Try to do the honours.
Do the honours.
The taste test. Proof is in the pudding, as they say.
Perfect. Delicious.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it like quite sweet? Or is it alright? I'll try some.
Okay, that's great. Thanks, Kit. Thanks for all the explanation, but if I could get back to work, that would be fab.
Great, thanks. Enjoy. Oh yeah, watch that chair as well. Nightmare. Well, as you heard from that, obviously it was thoroughly enjoyed, so that's good. And say it's not something that's sort of my real forte, so I'm pleased that you enjoyed it. But say I was really impressed with that product, and it tastes delicious. So yeah, enjoy and have a play with it, and enjoy the weekend. Let the good times roll. See you later. I'm off as well. I better go do some work. Ah, dear.